Hello guys, welcome to Good Football. Today I'm so excited for the Chelsea fans across the globe. It's just an amazing game. Fluminense versus Chelsea at the Club World Cup semi-finals. This was an interesting game. Chelsea nailed this match from beginning to the end. This was team effort. I like the way Chelsea played as a unit. At some point, I saw Cole Palmer tracking back to defend. You saw Joao Pedro also dropping down to the midfield and defense to help the team. And the defense of Chelsea was just compact today. I expected Fluminense to score because they are this goal scoring team. They always find ways to shoot, but Chelsea contained that. Kudos to Enzo Fernández and Caicedo in the midfield. Amazing guys. Hardworking Caicedo, Enzo Fernandez, kudos to that guy. The leadership is on point. He is creative and is also very aggressive. Starting into this game, you saw Fluminense. They came with this kind of aggression. They came with this aggressiveness of like, okay, they believe the Premiership is about physicality, but Chelsea dominated them in that aspect. They tried to be so physical. Chelsea dominated them. They tried to bring in these street vibes or street football, Brazilian football style. Chelsea killed that with their counter-attacking football, which we are going to discuss about this amazing guy Joao Pedro in a few minutes or few seconds from now. You saw the way Chelsea just contained this Fluminense team. They didn't give them enough chance to be so creative in their attack. There was no time to even transition because as soon as the ball gets to the midfield, you could see like 6 to 7 Chelsea players already charging towards the ball. So this was an amazing win, flat out win for Chelsea. Let's quickly look at the stats. You have 12 shots in total for Fluminense. Chelsea total shots was 17. The shots on target, Fluminense has 3 shots on target. You have Chelsea with 5 shots on target. Then the ball possession is just a wide range. The range is just so wide. You have Fluminense with 46%, Chelsea with 54%. Kudos to Enzo Fernandez, Caicedo, and the entire team. And a big kudos to the man of the match, Joao Pedro. I said it, I told you guys in the last video. I told you that Joao Pedro is that guy that Chelsea has been looking for. It's been a while I've seen a striker this sensational in the Chelsea team. This guy was just on point today. He was tracking back, he was attacking, he was defending at the same time, and he got his chances and he made use of his chances. I believe if the coach had left him to play the full match, he would easily score an hat-trick. You saw when they brought in Jackson to replace him, Jackson lost some chances, made some silly mistakes, which a striker of a team like Chelsea should be making. But you saw Joao Pedro took clear chances and he just killed the game immediately, no remorse. And one thing about I like this Joao Pedro is that he is calm-headed, he is collected, he is very cool-headed, and I believe this is going to help him in the tournament. It's going to help him to win. It is going to help him to overcome these tough defenders because he's calm-headed, he's not emotional. You hardly see him get aggressive. It's just about passing, transitioning, and scoring goals. And we saw that today. Two beautiful goals. These were not average goals, guys. These were just so fantastic goals. And yes, this is good news for Chelsea fans. The competition in the attacking department of Chelsea is has just grown higher and higher. I saw Dilap first game, his debut game for Chelsea. I thought, yeah, Chelsea have found a striker. But this Joao Pedro is just a whole other level. It brings physicality, it brings technicality, it brings skill, it brings space, it brings that one touch, that transitioning game with the defenders, the midfielders, and even the strikers. The guy is just everywhere today. And yeah, good move by Enzo Maresca to take him off and bring in Jackson, who would miss a ton of chances, by the way. But kudos to Enzo Maresca for making that move because we just have to rest this Joao Pedro. We can't risk him to get injured right now. We need to just rest him for either PSG or Real Madrid in the finals. I believe Joao Pedro is also going to make a difference because a player of his caliber is not there to show off, he's not there to show skills, he's there to kill. And I believe it's so hard to contain this kind of player. So once again, congratulations to Chelsea. I can't say much about the Fluminense team. They had a penalty in the first half. I believe that was a penalty. If you ask me, that was a penalty. We've seen some games in this tournament, similar handballs in this tournament that they just easily called the foul a penalty. But unlucky for them, it wasn't a penalty. I believe that was a penalty. It would have changed the trajectory of the game. But kudos to Joao Pedro, killed the game with two amazing goals, two fantastic goals. There's a way you score goals, your opponents are just going to get demoralized. So this is kudos to Joao Pedro for those amazing goals. Kudos to Chelsea fans. This is a team that is disciplined, and in the game of football, discipline is more important than talent. And Chelsea, they were well grounded, well structured. The opposition Fluminense brought physicality. They were there. They brought in skills. Chelsea was there. They brought in this transitioning. Chelsea was there. And as a matter of fact, that was how the first goal just came in. It's true transition. Even the second goal was through quick transitions from the Chelsea team. Congratulations to Chelsea fans across the globe. Congratulations to the Chelsea team as a whole. Congratulations, yeah, to the Chelsea board because Joao Pedro was an amazing signing. He's an amazing signing, proving his game every single time. So let's see which is going to play with in the finals. We look forward to the game with PSG versus Real Madrid tomorrow. I can't wait to see that game. But let's focus on today. Congratulations, Chelsea, and I'll see you next time. Bye.